Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James. How are you today? Renault Master Motorhome, a lot of upgrade, with major upgrade already done. And yeah, today we're happy to share another videos, comes and done some major thing. Okay, yep. One of the thing is the spare wheel on the back. How nice it is, and it is something beautifully fit at the back end and doesn't affect to their factory number plate location. So it absolutely doesn't require to relocate the number plate or anything extra about that. It's all good. Yeah, and it has a lot of work that have been done. Now let's quickly show something from outside. You see the electric side step. When you open this one, we see the virtual control screen. We have side step control in and out over here like this, and we have the master control 3000 watt and Renault G. We have roof air conditioner, and we have wonderful thing, and we have the side step, electrical side step on the other side. Once more, show up here, over here, look at that there, and go in here, and we actually have the electric side step working like this, fully out, fully in. And the good thing is we measure carefully to make sure it is within the mirror drop, so even in case it doesn't go in by any reason, it's still within the mirror range. Alright, plenty of things that we work on this. Electric awning, almost 1100 watt roof solar panel control power, and yeah, right now we can see about some of 800 watt, 900 watt, going into the system from the solar. Yeah, and that's good. Hopefully we'll have another video sharing some final work on this one soon later, but it's a good time to get to go out. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.